Hey guys, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Pinkvilla.
Hi, this is Parul Yadav and you're watching me on Pinkvilla. Well, I'm here today to talk about my makeup essentials. So let's start. So my first product is a primer. So it's a primer by Gehala. And for some reason, I started believing that my skin is not meant for primers because I tried all the primers from all the brands, and because we Indian fall in skin type 4, 5 and 6, I fall in 5, we are prone for pigmentation, and I have pigmentation under my eyes, over my lids and around my chin, so primers would just glide off my base and then my skin would look patchy. So I had stopped using primers until I was introduced to Gehala, which has been infused by 24 carats pure gold in it, and I love this product. It's a bit expensive, but then some things are worth the splurge, and this is definitely one of it. So my most favorite. My second product again is by Gehala. I know I'm in love with this brand because this brand is 188-year-old brand. So this is a creme SOS. So it's a soothing, comforting balm. So basically this is to combat all your dryness, tiredness. So there are some days when you look worn out, you're very tired. So you just have to use this balm all over your face, very little, and it will just keep your skin hydrated the whole day. Lovely product. So my third product is by Bobbi Brown. So basically, this is an eye corrector. I don't use concealers is because I feel concealer textures are a bit heavy, and when you wear them under your eye, you can actually make out. Wherein, when you use this corrector, you cannot really make out that you're wearing. So my tone is peach, by the way, dark peach. So I use this corrector under my eyes, over my lids and around my chin. Wherever there's pigmentation, you can use this product. It's wonderful. So well, talking about my favorite lip color is by Chanel. It's Rouge Allure 140. So somehow I'm in love with this color. I'm doing a movie, Butterfly, which is an official remake of Queen, and the director was very sure of he wanted the no makeup look, and I just applied this very little on my lips. I've used this throughout my movie, and you can barely make out that I'm wearing a lipstick, but yet it gives you that natural flush look to your lips. So my most favorite lipstick is by Chanel 140. So after my corrector, I use my foundation. So I have too many foundation. I have Bobbi Brown, actually 2 from Bobbi Brown, and 3 from Bobbi Brown and 1 from Chanel. Oh God, too many bases. So basically, this two product, this is the liquid foundation which I normally use when I socialize and all, but when I'm shooting, I use the cream based one. This has more coverage, this is more like a sheer thing, but both of them have SPF 15 and both keeps your skin hydrated the whole day. So yeah. But I also have a base from Bobbi Brown again and Chanel. So this one I use when I have my red carpets as an award functions and all, because this foundation has like a shine to it. So I generally use this on my red carpet, and even this one, which is by Chanel. The two makeup trend which I'm obsessed over, I think lip and cheek tint are really in vogue, and I absolutely love it. So even when I'm just going for a movie and I'm not wearing any makeup, I just put little tint on my cheek, and that gives me a very fresh and glowy look. And obviously because of the Deepika Padukone, all of a sudden the eyebrows are so much in fashion, the bushy eyebrows. So I think yes, the bushy eyebrows and lip and cheek tint in vogue. So generally, a lot of people do base and then they call it quits, which is absolutely no. I feel it's very important for one to set the makeup, and I set my base with a loose powder by Bobbi Brown. My shade is Peach. So what I do is, this is a small handy brush pouch by Bobbi Brown. I love this pouch. It's so handy that I can even put it in my handbag and travel. It's like a travel kit. It has a foundation brush. These 2 are the eyeshadow. This is for the loose powder, and this tiny one is for the liner. So I just love this one. It's very cute. So what you do is that, I take the powder, you tap off the excess and just in a circular motion, you apply on your base. So all the emulsioncy what you get because of your base, whether it's a sheer base or the cream base, you take it off with the help of this powder. Okay, so now talking about lip and cheek tint. I think this is absolutely in vogue. Every girl has it and I'm no different. So basically, the brush is like a bit like a nail polish brush. So you take very little and apply on your cheeks, very little, so that you get this flush look. However, if you like the stronger blush on look, you can just use a little more. But I always think flush is better than blush, so hence just use very little of it. So it's a pink shade by Gehela. I just love this one. There's one more blush on I have. I'm a blush on person. This is again very essential. Like they are always in my clutch or my handbags. It's again by Bobbi Brown. It is called Nectar 11. And I keep this kabuki brush with me, which is so tiny. It is even called, I think, mushroom brush. So it's very handy. You can put it in your clutch, in your handbags, and it's very soft and nice. So these two things are also must in my handbags. So 3 people's makeup bag I would want to steal is Gwyneth Paltrow, Emma Stone and Giselle Bündchen. Okay, moving on to the brow shaper. So I have this brow shaper by Bobbi Brown. It's called Natural Brow Shaper. So we all know how much is the brow in fashion. We all like to, make those bushy eyebrows, and I think this is the best. It has a gel in it, it has the color in it, and it has a brush. So, you fill your eyebrows at the same time you're combing them, and because there's a gel in it, your eyebrows are set for the rest of the day and you have those groom eyebrows rest of the day. So again, one of my most favorite products from Bobbi Brown. I think I would do it on Selena Gomez and Paris Hilton, because I feel Paris Hilton is so pretty, but I feel she does little more makeup, so I think I would show her some no makeup look. Coming to my lip balm, this is again by Gehela. So these are one of the best lip balms I've used. It has jojoba oil in it, and again it keeps your lip very supple. They have like around 4 of them. I have 3 almost, I have all of it. So this one has a very, if you can see, light shade. So basically, the day like what I'm wearing right now, it's a very light lipstick. So the day you're wearing a light lipstick, you can apply the light shade balm. The day you're doing a red carpet, sort of a bold red lips or any dark shade, I use the darker lip balm. So I have 3 of it, and yes, they are the most favorite of mine. Alright, and coming to my last product is again a Gehela lipstick. I love this one, not because I love the shade, but because of the packaging. And it's so tiny and nice. So when you just pull out the lipstick, it just opens up like this, like a mirror. So it's so handy and nice. So when I'm flying or when I've gone for an event, you can just pull it off and you have a tiny mirror to yourself and you can apply your lipstick. So I just love this one, not because of the shade, but because of the packaging. But though I can just tell you the number, it is 9090 by Gehela. Okay, so one more secret is old school puff. So basically this is really old school. Nowadays people use brush, whenever they want to do a touch-up. But I swear by this puff, it just sets your makeup again, and I think everybody should have this in their pouches. So if my tips have helped you, please comment below, and please like, share and subscribe to Pinkvilla.